guys? We're back with another project in this skunk ass, hot ass weather. Don't worry, you're dying, so are we. We got the 5.0 Mustang next. I'm super excited to do this one as well. Look at this big dog. They got the big block in it. We're gonna do a complete door jams, everything. We're gonna take it from the blue to a gray. I'm super excited. Let's get it going.
Step away from your shadow, dear. The sun will rise again for a new day. Breakfast with eggs, it's insane.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us at the finish line. I'm so glad to get this video out. I had a great time doing this Mustang. Man, I want to do a special thanks for the team. They really pulled it together and made this possible. Ernesto, thanks for believing in us. We had a great time. Thanks for taking a risk on us. I know we did a couple things you weren't expecting or didn't ask, but you loved it. So now that it's all wrapped up, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join.